The National Weather Service in Brookhaven has issued a tornado warning for Crown Point in Brookhaven Island, Black Hawk in Brookhaven Island, downtown Brookhaven in Brookhaven Island. Until 9:05 a.m. Brookhaven Standard Time. On 8:34 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm near southeast Cherry Road that can possibly become a tornado moving 65 miles per hour. This is particularly a dangerous, life-threatening situation. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed by this tornado. Considerable damages to homes, buildings, vehicles as likely. The tornado will be near Crown Point around 9:24 Brookhaven Standard Time, downtown on 09:41 Brookhaven Standard Time. Black Hawk on 9:57 Brookhaven Standard Time. Cedar Road near the lake on 10:08 Brookhaven Standard Time. A tornado is on the ground, take immediate precautions and take cover now. This is an extremely life-threatening, deadly situation. Repeating, a tornado is on the ground, near Cherry Road moving 65 miles per hour.